Presenting the Mi TV 4A 40 inches Full HD Android LED TV in black color. With Full HD resolution and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, this television offers clear and detailed images with authentic colors and clarity. This Mi TV features an LED panel with vivid picture engine that delivers balance of contrast and brightness for an immersive viewing experience. With 7th generation imaging engine, the TV comes with reduced noise, professionally calibrated picture quality and a rich range of colors. It comes with a maximum viewing distance of 10 feet. This Mi Android TV comes with 20+ integrated content partners including Netflix, Prime Video and more. It also comes with Google Data Saver that helps you access the television's smart TV features using your phone hotspot, thereby allowing you to watch up to 3x more videos. The Google Assistant lets you search content, control your smart home devices, and much more through voice commands. With Chromecast built-in, you can cast your mobile device content onto the bigger TV screen. The A53 quad-core processor comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, making the TV faster for streaming high-quality videos. It also comes with PatchWall 3.0 that enables universal search across different streaming platforms. The TV has 3 HDMI and 3 USB ports for easy connectivity. It has 20 watts speakers with DTS-HD sound. This LED TV comes with tabletop stand, installation manual, warranty card and remote control. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery as per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.